my name's Anthony Allen, welcome here to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Pay.
It's the one and only Anthony Allen.
As I mentioned in the introduction to this video, I'm going to be taking you through the whole process of setting up Google Pay. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can stay notified about new videos and helpful videos like this that I upload to this channel. And with that said, I'm now going to share my screen with you and take you through the whole process of setting up Google Pay. If you have the Google Play Store available on your mobile device, you will be able to download the Google Pay application. But if you don't, you will have to access the website that I have on screen right now. You can also access this website via your Android device. So the method that I'm going to show you to set up Google Pay can be done on whatever device you choose to simply visit pay.google.com. You will need to be logged into your Google account in order to set up Google Pay, as Google Pay is associated and connected to your Google account, a lot like your YouTube account being connected to its parent company, Google. Think of Google Pay as your digital wallet for various places online. An example of things that you can purchase through Google Pay are YouTube Premium membership and renting movies on YouTube. Did you know that you could rent movies on YouTube? You can today, and you can pay for these movies via Google Pay. You can see that I am signed in to the Shopball Google account, meaning that I am setting up Google Pay specifically for this Google account. Google Pay will allow you to pay for various services faster without having to enter card or banking details. Google Pay is also a safe and secure way to pay for various products and services online. On your device, scroll down and select Add a Payment Method. Well done. This is where you would add the card details of your American Express, MasterCard or Visa debit card. First, you will need to add the long card number that appears on the front of your debit card. This will normally averagely be around 16 numbers. Then you will need to add an expiry date. Very rarely do payment services and wallets like Google Pay ask for a start date. This is usually an expiry date. If your card has two dates that appear on the front of the card, the expiry date will be the date that appears furthest to the right. This is because in the West, being America and the UK, we read from left to right, and this is also the same for most of Europe. Next is to enter the CVC of your card. This is a security number that appears on the back of your debit card. This will be the last 3 digits of the number that appears on a small strip on the back of your credit or debit card. Next, you enter the cardholder's name. This will be the name that appears on the front of the card, and enter this name exactly as it appears on your card. Once done, select Save. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your first payment method for Google Pay. But what about if you want to edit the information that has been entered, remove a card, or add a new payment method? You can edit and remove a payment method once it's been added. You can also add a new payment method on the same page. By clicking on the 3 hyphens menu right here, you'll be able to access more settings and information within your Google Pay wallet. From here, you could access the activity report of your Google Pay wallet, your payment methods, subscriptions and services, addresses, settings, and you can also find help guidance and support. You can also provide feedback to Google Pay services if you have any feedback. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can stay notified and up to date with all the uploads that I upload to this YouTube channel. And of course, remember to stay to the end of every video because I always have a relating video or a playlist that relates to the video that you've just watched up until this point. And that end card is coming up right now with another upload or a playlist that you will definitely find interesting. And it's coming up now.